Yo, man, they want some prank call, bro. What I say, bro? What I say, bro? Come in. Come in. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, you've won $1 million from Supreme Limited.
Oh my god, for real?
Yes, man. Yes,
Oh my god,
man.
I need it for my heart surgery.
Goofy ass. They have me that people fool and that. Yo, me next. Got you. Hello, you just won $1 million from the Supreme Limited.
Shani, how about my phone for the club boy?
Oh shit. How would that? I'm my mother. Dear me idiot.
That's Christ.
Hang up. No see I idiot, and then private number fool. No see I idiot. Man get too coke. Can't not with them money, brother. Can't not with them money, bro. What's a shake out? Hello,
Little boy, we are talking about $1 million. You work a cash pot?
No,
Hey, little boy, make sure you can count to $1 million, but I tell me say $1 million. Hey, little boy. Take out the chicken for me there, please.
Mommy not there home, mommy.
So how are you there?
But they are CJ yard.
Me not love talk about the boy there yard. Him is bad company.
What, me?
CJ there beside you?
Yes.
Crap. Hi CJ, tell Marcia and the family hi from me, okay? Goodbye. Enjoy
Yes,
yourself,
man.
yeah?
Yes, man. Sorry about that, bro. You go, man. Nah, lie, bro. We are big man, bro. We are doing prank call people, bro. For real, dog. For real, bro. For real, fox. We need to get your money up. Like what we can do, bro. Now for an idea. What your idea? We can go look at work. Okay, now work on that pre. Yo, we have an idea. We can try to be some security guard, bro. You can catch somebody? No, see how you're fat. See your body shame, you know, bro. Yeah, girl, about body shame. We have an idea. Tell me. We can work at supermarket, bro. Yo, I'm not put no body bag, you know. That me I tell you, I'm not put no man bag, you know. That me make you know, you know. True, that can't work. Can't work.
Shit, man.
Yo, supposedly put a twist to the prank call thing. What you mean? Like when we tell people say they win money, we try to get them bank card information. Yo, that can't work, you know, boy. No see your sense. No, so that smart, boy. That's smart, you know, boy. So, yo, who write down your bank card number? We write them. Come in. Oh, shit, who will go call? We can't call broke people. You have some white people number on my phone still. See one. Alright, she name's Sonia. Come in. Hello, good afternoon. Am I speaking with Sonia Robinson?
Yes, you are.
I'm calling to inform you that you won $1 million from the Supreme Limited raffle, okay?
I did?
Yes, ma'am.
I really need this money. Oh my god.
Yes, ma'am. You're now a millionaire.
So how do I collect this money?
Okay, ma'am. So please provide me with your bank card number and I'll have the money delivered to you, okay?
Okay. 314.
Okay, so it's 314. Right.
159.
159.
265.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now provide me with your PIN to the card number, okay?
What do you need my PIN for?
Okay. I'm gonna need your PIN for a 3-step verification process, okay? Just procedure, alright? Just procedure.
Okay, it's 1256.
So the PIN is 1256. What? Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay, ma'am. So look forward to the money being transferred to your bank account, okay? Have a nice day, alright?
Okay, you too, and God bless you,
yes,
okay?
Yes, ma'am. God bless you too. Who bad like me? Tough. So Kevin, I've number them good. Alright. Look much money on it. Download. Bounty killer? How you see? 300,000 US, brother. So rich. We're rich, dog. We have big me, channel lead. Chop on the way 150 brief. Don't, rich. Don't, rich. You? Test it for Amazon, bro. Buy one PS5, man. Absence, man. Absence. I got another one, iPhone 17, just for Tessie, bro. Just for Tessie. You Got you, no boy, got you. So yo, all money go share? How I go share? Yo, I'm my money this, me put in work. Go look on no one. Yo, what kind of style that? Hey boy, give me some of the money. No, man, hack me from the bag of writing out. Yo, man, them easy, man, them easy. Yo, how about that? I can't police that. Yo, man, them police there, no? They mean police there. Police there, yeah. We can't go to prison, you know? We can't go to prison, bro. Me a church boy, dog. We can't go to prison, bro. We can't go to prison, bro. Me a church boy, dog. As in here, reported illegal activity and a card from this location. Officer, me a church boy. Officer, me a good youth. Officer, me a church boy. Officer, we can't go to prison. Officer, we can't go to prison. Be nice, man. Anyways, we're not embarrassed. Kneel and hands behind your heads. Yo, we go chop his soap, bro. We go chop his soap. You know, you're tapping nice.